Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk through the quick and easy steps on how to activate Do Not Disturb mode until a specific time on Google Chat using your PC. If you've ever wanted to stay focused or pause notifications without turning them off completely, this feature is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile photo. Right next to it, you'll notice a small grid icon made up of 9 dots. Go ahead and click on those 9 dots. A menu will appear showing different Google apps. From this list, select Chat. This will open Google Chat in a new window or tab. Once you're inside Google Chat, look in the top right corner of the screen again. You'll see an active status icon displayed next to the gear icon for settings. This icon shows your current availability, which might say Active, Do Not Disturb, or Away, depending on your status. Click on that active icon to open the availability options. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Do Not Disturb. After selecting Do Not Disturb, you'll notice an additional option that says Until a Specific Time. This is the new update that gives you more control over your availability. Click on that option, and a small window will appear where you can select the exact time you want your Do Not Disturb mode to turn off automatically. Enter the time that fits your schedule, maybe an hour from now or after your work session, then click Set. Once you do, Google Chat will automatically mute your notifications until that specific time is reached. After that, your status will revert back to active all on its own. And that's it. You've successfully set up Do Not Disturb mode until a specific time in Google Chat. It's a perfect way to manage your focus, prioritize work, and avoid distractions without missing messages later on. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to share it with others who use Google Chat and might want to stay distraction-free.